Understanding lack of rest. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll explore the phrase, lack of rest. It's a common expression you might come across in everyday English, and understanding it can help you convey ideas about health, work, and lifestyle. So let's dive in and discover what this phrase really means. Lack of rest refers to not getting enough sleep or relaxation. Rest is crucial for our bodies and minds to function optimally. Without it, we can experience a range of negative effects. Today, we're going to look at how this phrase is used in different contexts and what it implies about someone's state of being. Rest is not just about sleep. It's about giving our body and mind a break from activity. Sufficient rest is necessary for physical health, emotional well-being, and cognitive performance. We'll discuss why rest is important and what happens when we don't get enough of it. A lack of rest can lead to serious health issues like stress, weakened immune system, poor concentration, and even heart problems. We'll look at some of the signs and symptoms of inadequate rest and why it should never be ignored. Getting enough rest can sometimes be challenging in our busy lives. However, there are strategies and habits we can adopt to improve our rest. We'll go over some practical tips for better sleep and relaxation techniques that can fit into your daily routine. I hope this video has shed light on what lack of rest means and why it's so important to avoid it. Remember, taking care of your rest is taking care of your overall health. Until our next lesson, take care and make rest a priority.